Going to be on our chart.
-2,
-2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And get to typing. So you're going to say 2 times 2 to the, and fill them in. Guys, put your phones up. Let's go. I'm not going to stand up here all day looking goofy. What do you guys got for -2? 0.5. -1. 0.25. Huh? 1. 4. Okay, so at -2, we're here at 0.5. -1 is, something's not right. This can't be 50 and then going down to 25 and then back up to 1. So one of those two numbers are not correct.
-1.
This is 1? Okay, so maybe we got a little shifted. 1,
2, 4, 8.
2, 4, and 8. Oh, no, it's right here. This happens when you're late time. Okay, so, and then -1 is at 1, 2, 4, and then 8. Is that growth or decay?
Growth.
That is definitely growth. Okay, describe the translation. What does that -1 do? It's going to go down 1. What does that +2 do? Left 2. And then is that growth or decay? It's decay. How do we know it's decay? It's less than 1. Okay. And it is a fraction. So, okay, so those are good inklings to let us know what's going on with that. Okay, the next section is about rewriting logs in exponential form. Okay, so this goes log of ABC. I did not write that good. AB equals C, and then this goes AC equals B. Okay, so 289 is A, this is B, and this is C. So, what number is going to come first? 289 to the what power? Okay, we're right here, we're looking at the C, which is this one. So -1/2 equals the B. So 1 over 17. Okay, and I know that looks funny because it's fractions, but okay, this one we're rewriting in log form. Okay, so this is AC and B. Okay, so it's going to be log of what? 11, then what? 121 equals 2. Okay, evaluate each expression. We're just plugging that in our calculator. So find the log button, girls, shush, with 2 empty boxes. Okay, type that in and see what you get. -2? Somebody agree with that? Yeah? Good. -2. Okay, the next one it says log of 5, so that means we're going to raise both of them to the 5th power. Okay, so we're gonna say 5 and 5 on both sides. Okay, so we're gonna say to the 5, to the 5. Okay, and so these cancel out. So we got 3x equals, what is 5 to the negative 1 power?
Oh,
Hit your fraction button. 1 over 5. Okay, so we got equals 1 over 5. Okay, and then how am I solving for x? How do I move that 3? Divide by 3. Divide by 3. Okay, so what is 1/5 divided by 3? And if you still have the 1/5 on your calculator, you can just hit divide by 3. Huh? 1 over 15? Okay. Hmm? Well, hold it. Okay, 57. What's our number by the log? 6. So we're going to say 6 and 6. So we got 4k minus 7 equals, what is 6 to the third power?
216.
216. And then what? You mean add. Good. Add 7. So we get 4k equals, what is 216 plus 7? I think you probably click divide. 216 plus 7. 223. And then what? Divide by 4. Divide by 4. So we're going to get k equals, what is 223 divided by 4? 223 over 4. Okay, so it does not reduce, and it just so happens to be that. Okay, 59, sorry. 59, we're going to say 7 and 7. Why did I choose 7? Yeah, it's the number that's by the log, okay? So these cancel, and I'm left with 3v plus 4 equals 5v. Okay, and so we're trying to move our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. So what is going to get moved? The 4 is going to get moved, and where do we put that under? We cannot put it under the 5, why not? It's not a V, so it's going to just have to go over here, okay? Because that's really where another number would be if there was one. What else needs moved? We're trying to get all the letters to the left side of the equal sign. The 5 needs moved, so we're going to say minus 5V, minus 5V. So it's going to give you negative 2V equals negative 4. Then what? Divide by a negative 2. So we get V equals 2. Okay, for condensing. Okay, your very first thing is to look, is there numbers in the front? Yeah, so that means they're going to get moved to the back. Okay, so this is going to look like log 6 of 10 to the 6th plus log 6 of what? Three to the 2. Okay, what does addition go with? Multiplication. Okay, so now we can say log 6 of 10 to the 6th times 3 to the 2. See how it says only log 6 one time? That means you have condensed it down to a single log. Okay, if we're looking at 63, are there numbers up front?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we need to move those first. So it's gonna look like log 3 of what? X to the 5th plus log 3 of what? Y to the 2. Okay, and again, what goes with addition? Multiplication. So it's going to look like log 3 x5 times y2. Okay, expanding logs. Oh, I don't want to do either of those. Cross off 65 and 67. Okay, and I'll do 66. So you guys can at least see one. Okay, so there's a difference between 68 and 66, okay? So 68 has a power on the outside. If there's a power on the outside, that needs to move first. If there's none, then we can just go straight into that second step. Okay, so this one, our very first step is gonna be to move that. Okay, so it's gonna look like 4 log 8 of 7 over 6/2. Okay, what does division go with? Subtraction. So this is gonna look like 4 log 8 of 7 minus 4 log 8 of 6/2. Okay, so for this one, your very first step is just going to be go straight to here. So it'd be log u plus log v plus v4. Okay. Now, see how this guy, he still has a power? He needs to be moved. And what do you do when you move it up and there's already a number there? Times it. So it's going to be 4 log 8 of 7 minus 8 log 8 of 6. Okay, I would like you guys to cross off 69 and 70. I must have not like checked over the papers. Same thing, 71, 72. You can cross off. Bless you. Okay, your whole packet should be finished by the end of today. Okay, we've done this over 2 days, and yesterday I gave you the class